Pistachio nut streusel, strawberry muffin tops, or rustic cakes with a moist and tender strawberry packed crumb on the inside and a crunchy pistachio nut crumb on the outside. The best pistachio flavor comes from fresh pistachio nuts, so to make a pint or 2 cups of apricot pistachio milk, soak 65 grams or a half cup of pistachio nuts overnight in the refrigerator. The next day, rinse the nuts and blend with 375 grams fresh water and 50 grams dried apricots, then strain through a nut milk bag. Store it in the refrigerator. Apricot pistachio nut milk will be at its best for 3 or 4 days. To make 6 pistachio nut streusel muffin tops, prepare your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, and start by making a pistachio nut streusel topping. Make sure your ingredients are cold and rub 30 grams flour, 30 grams sugar, 30 grams of chopped pistachio nuts, and 30 grams of butter between your fingertips until an even crumb is formed. Then for the batter, scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry, mix 85 grams flour, 80 grams sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mix with a fork 2 eggs, 25 grams pistachio nut oil, 50 grams apricot pistachio milk, 90 grams diced strawberries, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients until just combined, about 20 strokes, being careful not to overmix. Then refrigerate the batter and streusel topping separately for up to 2 days, or portion into the prepared pan and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the pistachio streusel strawberry muffin tops the same day they are baked with a cup of tea.